So this is the DDA. This is my DDA walkthrough for the this is my DDA walkthrough for my our project CurioQuest. So let's get started. So right off the bat we have this. So real quick, I'm going to remove this account. I'm going to remove this account and its corresponding data, so that I can create one to show you. So I'll also open up my Gmail so that I can show you how the like it will take the. I can show you how it will take the forgot password later. So first of all, since we don't have an account, I'll create the account. So now we register, and as you can see, it's created this new account. So now let's say I forgot the password. I'll put in my email. So now it's been sent. We can check over here. And as you can see, this over here is the message for reset. And now that we have this, I can just change the password to something new. And after that, it should change over here. And now I can just key in the new password. So now that I've got the new password, I'm gonna so now that that's done, I'm gonna show you how each of these how the DDA comes into play for each of these. So first of all, the main thing would be the quiz. So the quiz will be the quiz features our mascot JJ getting lost in the forest filled with dangerous oviraptors, and selecting the correct answer will help him escape. So I'll get started. So the player can just calibrate wherever they like to spot it through these planes. This will be shown later in the IPD. So now that we started, I'll just try to get a few. I'll try to get 1 point, and then we can. I'll just end the quiz. So as you can see, it has high score 1, and my previous we got a current score of 1, and the previous high score was 0, so it changed to 1. And now going back to the profile, it will show that the high score is 1. And on the leaderboard, it will show the high score. The high score will show the leaderboard, and in the leaderboard, it will show that I have gotten the score of 1. And it will show based on top 5. So now let me show you the next function, which uses DDA in the profile. So when we change the username, let's say I don't want to be called Joy Blaster. Let's call myself Comet instead. So the name updates, and after it updates, it will change the username. And as you can see over here, the high score has changed to 1. I forgot to show that, and the username has changed to Comet. So yes, just to show you again. Anyway, that's it for the DDA aspect. And you can log out as well. So that's it for the Unity. Now I'll move on to the website. So let's log into the. Each of these has the same function as earlier. So let's move on to. So let's say I put in the wrong password. We'll get a error saying that we keyed it in wrong. So you can just enter the password again. So now that I'm gonna key in this, and as you can see, it will show my email, the name, comment, my high score, and the profile picture. So this profile picture actually uses Supabase. What it does is when you create an account in the website, it'll take this image over here. It will take this image over here and replicate into your folder that uses this name. Uh, I'm I'm going to remove this since this used to be the old one. This is the current. I'm gonna remove this since this was the old email, and this is the current email. This is the current email image. So over here, when we create an account in the user in the website, it will automatically create this when in registration. But if you create an account from the game, it won't create a Supabase. So what it does is it will check in the during the login if you have one, and if it doesn't, it will create one for you automatically there. So let's move on to the over here. So when you click on the player profile, you can change your username and your profile. So I'll be showing you both of them at once. So let's just name this Comet Dragon. So I'll show you individually. By right, you should be able to change both at the same time, but I'm going to show you individually since I can't show you both values being changed at once. Actually, yes, I can. So I should change both at the same time. So over here, we have the ID that links to this file. So I'm going to select this file of a cat because that's very cute. So now that I saved, so let's save changes. And now every time so now it should load in this new image. And over here, it change to Comet Dragon. So, and now every time I change the website, every time I load a page in this account, it will show up this image. I can't show you right now, but the high score will refresh whenever you press this button. So for example, if you have the game open and the website is with the website going on, and you get a new high score, this refresh button will help to update the current high score to what you currently just achieved. So over here is just learning. It's just the learn page. There's no DDA, so I won't go through all that much. But it gives the source. But it gives a base, some base facts, fun facts, and the sources. So there's that. The leaderboard takes takes a list of all the accounts. Takes a list of all the current accounts in the database and gets their name, gets your name, high score, and UID. And with the UID, it will check each of these players' images. So for example, these are the other players, and over here is the test tree. Is the test tree character, and as you can see, he's using this file over here. And as you can see, since I'm second with the 1 score, and everyone's 0. So yeah, that's it for the data DDA walkthrough.